Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you want some free crypto and you want to save some money, check out the links in the description box below. Over the last couple of weeks, the entire crypto market has been trending higher. And a lot of people have been asking me, when are you buying? When is it time to jump back in? Have we hit the bottom? What are you doing right now? In today's video, I'll be answering those questions and pretty much telling you exactly what I'm doing right now. As you guys know, we are in a full-blown bear market. And inside of this bear market, we are going to have rallies. Every time we have a rally, everybody thinks we have hit the bottom and we are about to go to the moon. But in reality, the total opposite is true. Do I believe we have hit the bottom? Not really. Do I think we can go way lower? Absolutely. Obviously, I could be 100% wrong, but these are just my personal opinions. And now let's answer the question, when will I be buying crypto? Being 100% honest, I have been buying crypto. Over the last couple of months, I have been accumulating positions in a lot of different coins that I believe in long term. Obviously, I'm not going all in. I'm not dropping $20,000 or $50,000 on any single project right now. But I am dollar cost averaging into different projects. I'm investing $100 today, maybe $300 tomorrow, $500 over the weekend, and I'm pretty much picking my favorite projects that are down that day. These are some of the projects that I've been accumulating. They are not in any particular order. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polygon, Matic, Cosmos, Cadena, Elrond, and a couple of other ones. These are projects that I believe will do extremely well in the long term, so I'm slowly growing my positions. But what about other projects such as BNB? They just donated $500 million to Elon Musk. A Twitter partnership might be in the works. Or what about Chainlink or other projects? The reason why I'm not accumulating BNB or Chainlink is because I already have huge positions in these coins. Also, I do not want to put all my eggs in one basket. Let's say I have a six-figure position in BNB and a six-figure position in Chainlink, but I have a $10,000 position in Cosmos. Instead of pretty much trying to grow my BNB or my Chainlink position or my Ethereum position, I would rather grow my Cosmos position and pretty much bring it to the same level. Also, there are a ton of other amazing projects that I do not hold a lot of. So over the last couple of months, I have been pretty much adding small amounts to these smaller positions in order to grow them. But if you are just getting started investing in crypto, or you already made your money and have exited the space and you are looking to jump back in, I will obviously start out with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Once you grow those positions to your satisfaction, then look into other projects. Let me know in the comment section below if you want me to make a separate video talking about low cap gems that I am investing in. Obviously, those are extremely risky and it is pretty much gambling. But I still believe the odds of you making money with these low cap gems is way better than playing the Powerball and shooting for that 1.5 billion. In my opinion, it is always better to dollar cost average into positions that you believe in. Create a strategy and stick with it. You're not a wizard, you cannot tell the future, and the chances of you buying the exact bottom are very slim. So I personally suggest to simply create a strategy and dollar cost average. If you're waiting for that perfect time, chances are you're not going to catch it. The opportunity will come and go, and you're going to miss it completely. What I recommend is dollar cost averaging to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Once the bull run returns, those two are going to be the first ones to run. Once they run, get your profits out. Use those profits to invest in lower cap gems and then pretty much shoot for the moon and make as much money as possible. One other thing that I would like to mention, right now I am simply dollar cost averaging and investing very small amounts. But come January 2023, I will step up my game big time and I will be investing even more money. January, in my opinion, will be the time to start accumulating even more crypto. I'm not saying the exact bottom will be in January, but I do expect to see some lows. Obviously, this is just my personal opinion. Do not take it as financial advice. do your own research. If you are one of the few that still watches crypto content, you're going to be the one that makes the most profits. Right now, a lot of crypto creators have pretty much left the space or changed topics completely. But crypto is not going anywhere. In every bear market, the majority of people simply leave the space and then they return when the bull market returns. But the people that stay are the ones that are going to make the most money. We know crypto is here to stay. We know crypto is the future. Bear markets are extremely difficult, but if you make it through the tough times, you will be rewarded at the end. One final thing that I would like to mention, do not FOMO into these mini rallies. We are in a bear market. These rallies are not going to last long. If you haven't been accumulating over the last 2-3 months, in my opinion, it is a very bad idea to jump back in right now and start accumulating at the peak of these rallies. This mini rally that we are seeing right now might last another couple of days or possibly a week or two, but eventually the prices will correct and we will head lower. Alright everybody, that concludes this video. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comment section below, what projects are you accumulating in this bear market? And as always, check out the links in the description box below. See you in the next video. Peace out.